Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, Miss Cherries, and thank you for clicking this video. So today I'll be doing my makeup tutorials and also swatches of the new Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette of Pearls in Cosmic Pearl. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this year's holiday collection, they released the Celestial Pearl first and then the new one, Cosmic Pearl. I think this one came out a week ago, so I was a little bit confused because last year's holiday collection they released both quads, which I still have. I have the this is the darker one, Diva Lights, and this is the Star Aura, which I heard very similar to the Celestial Pearl. That's why I did not get that one, and also very light for my liking. So I got the darker version. I mean, not darker version, but darker shades, which is the Cosmic Pearl. So here are the two shades, or the quads, last year's quads. These were like my first quads from the brand. Okay, so this year's holiday quads, they retail for $56 each, so a little bit more expensive than last year's quads. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm gonna show you guys the Cosmic Pearl. So this one's made in Italy with a shelf life of 18 months, and this packaging I like better than last year's packaging. And I'm gonna show you the inside. With this, and here is the inside of the mini palette. So not very unique shades. I'm very sure that you can find similar shades from your makeup collection. So I mean, let's see if the formulation is really good. So her quads are very different from her 12 pan palettes. That's what I noticed. So I don't have that many palettes from the brand. I think I started buying from the brand maybe a year ago, so I don't have that many, but that's one thing I noticed. Her quads are not the same formulation as her 12 pan palettes. I did my review of her 12 pan palette. I mean, this year's holiday collection. So I already primed my lids. I'm gonna first I was gonna do makeup tutorial. So first I'm gonna swatch all of the shades. Let me get closer to you guys. Satin shade. Well, this would be perfect as a transition shade. Next is this dark brown satin shade, not exactly matte. You see the soft satin shade? Then this is the darker shade. This is really dark brown. Ooh. That is, I think it's a little patchy. And then this is the duochrome shade. Okay, let me swatch this duochrome shade again. So it has that purple base to this one. I'm pretty sure I have something like this in my collection. So not something very, unique in my opinion. So let's see how the formulation of this new quad. And there you go. Now I'm ready to do a makeup tutorial, not tutorial as well, a makeup tutorial. So I'm starting off, I think I'm gonna start off with this shade, this soft satin brown, bronzy brown shade, and this is the reference number 15 brush. I'm not gonna go all the way here because I'm going to add on this one, this lighter shade on my inner half, because I just like lighter eyeshadows on my inner half. Makes my eyes really, wide open, bigger bigger eyes. And this one actually really nice, it's pigmented enough. I noticed that the shadows, when I swatched them, they were not very very glittery. They were more like shiny eyeshadows, because the last year's holiday quads were very glittery. So this one is a soft satin shade, soft satin matte. That makes sense. Soft satin shade, I should say. Alright, so I made a mistake. I was gonna use reference number 16, which is like bigger and wider than number 15. So I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna apply this. This is the only matte shade from the quad. So this is the brown shade. I'm gonna use the same brush. I think I'm gonna apply this lighter shade on top or all the way in here, like my half, because I went over here close to my inner half. So moving on, I'm gonna apply this only matte dark brown shade. I'm using the same brush. This one is very nice, pigmented. I really like the warm shades on the quad. So now I'm gonna use this double grown metallic shade. This is a very shiny eyeshadow. Not very shiny, but shiny. Not very, but shiny. Subtle but shiny. I use a brush just because it looks a little messy. There you go. Very easy to apply. So I'm gonna go back to the matte brown shade, and I'm gonna add that to the edge of my crease area. Last shade is this lightest shade from the quad, and I'm gonna apply this one all the way to my crease. And I'm using the reference number 12 brush. So this is a really nice pencil brush. I'm gonna do something different today. I usually wear my NARS liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna use something different, like fun color. So this is the Milk Cosmetics. So this is the reflect gel liner in steel. So this is a metallic blue shade. I have the green one. It dried out. I might have to get Duraline from, oh my god, Inglot, because the one I dried out. And I'm using this really tiny benign brush. So I'm not gonna talk while applying this because this is too hard. And then I'm going to use this makeup, this baby white, just to give me that V-cut shape. Of course, you can always use tape, whatever tape you have. It's not gonna drag your skin. And also Elf Cosmetics, they have something for eye makeup, like what I call that one? It's tape for the eye. So I'm just gonna lay here. So this is how I do my eye makeup. Then put on mascara. What else? False lashes, and there you go, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup off camera as always, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about this new quad, if it's worth $56. So I'll see you guys later. I also went ahead and applied this only matte shade from the quad with the Chanel Style Ombre et Contour in the shade 19 Contour Beige. This is the only liner that I have been using for 4 months because it doesn't look too dark. I do not like dark liners because they make me look too old. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about this new quad. So everything blended together in person. My eye makeup looks really nice in my personal opinion. Everything blended together. So these two are satin shades, soft satin shades. This one is a matte shade. This is a duochrome shade. It looks different, depends on, you know, the lighting. So it has the blue base. It's a shiny eyeshadow. So this is a shiny quad. So I still prefer last year's quads, or last year's quads. I have these two quads from last year's holiday collection. These are very not very shimmery shimmery eyeshadows. I really like, I mentioned this one before, I really like shimmery eyeshadows, very shimmery eyeshadows. So with these, they are shimmery without looking too shimmery, without emphasizing textured eyelids. So Charlotte Tilbury knows exactly how to formulate her shimmery eyeshadows without looking too shimmery, without, you know, emphasizing textured eyes or eyelids. So with this new one, it's a shimmery eyeshadow. It looks really nice in person. I think these are really great everyday eye makeup, but for the price and the finish, I personally do not like this too much. Not as much as last year's quads. I still prefer these two quads, but like I mentioned, keep repeating myself. I don't know why I keep doing this. I like shimmery eyeshadows. So I really do not, I mean, if you guys got the money, I mean, if you want to spend $56, maybe just go ahead. But if you want to try out Charlotte Tilbury's formulation, I highly recommend her 12 pan palettes. Those are better quality in my opinion and better value. Why am I always having hard time saying value? Better value. So this one kind of so-so with this one. Not my favorite quad. It's an okay quad. Overall, it's an okay quad. So let me know guys what you think about, sorry, I'm getting distracted. Let me know guys what you think about this new quad. Although everything blended together with a matte shade, but you know, still like last year's quads. Yeah, that's enough. I'll keep repeating myself. So let me know guys what you think about the new quads from Charlotte Tilbury, especially the Cosmic Pearl. So thank you all so much for watching. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.